page 167. So this part, you will need to know how to determine whether the point in the region is satisfied the system of linear inequality or not. Previously, you only learned one inequality, right? And then the point, if fall in that region, then it satisfied the region, correct not? So now is you have a few inequality, meaning that more than one inequality. So how you're going to determine whether the point satisfied both inequality or not. So previously only one inequality, yeah? Now you have a few inequality, more than one. So look at this example. So now we have two inequality, which is x plus y less equals to x, and then y greater equal 3. So determine whether this one satisfied or not. The point given satisfied or not. So how we check? Let's say this one, they give you 2 point, 2 coordinate. How to determine? So you substitute, make the table like this, and then you substitute the value. Let's say this one, x is 2, y is 1. So when y equals to 1, you see x is 2, so 2 plus 1 less equal, just copy down, add copy down. So here answer is 3, right? Less equals to add. So add is bigger than 3. So this one is true, correct. This one is correct. And then for this inequality, y is greater than 3. So the y is 1, 1 greater than 3. So this one wrong, right? So false. When you have true false, meaning that this point not satisfied both inequality. It only satisfied this one, not satisfied this one. So must be both that satisfied. Mesti kedua-dua true, meaning that this point satisfied both inequality. Okay, and then like region B, example, region B. Okay, how you choose this point? You simply take any point in that region. Let's say you see this one, just now I forget to explain. We have one inequality, two inequality. So two inequality here, after draw, you have four region. Region number A, B, C, D. So how you know the point satisfied or not? Example, region B, I choose, okay, region B at here. And any point on this region will satisfy this one, this region, this both inequality. So let's say if I have 2, 5, you see 2, 5 actually in this region, right? Meaning that 2, 5 satisfied this region. So you see, substitute 2 plus 5, so getting 7, right? 7 is less or equals to 8, so this is true. And then for this one, y is 5. So 5 is greater than 3. This one also true. True, true. Meaning that this point is satisfied this region. And similarly for C and D. So I think we straight away look at the example. Just now I explained concept only. So now you look at the example. From this example, you can understand better. So the question say, based on the diagram, determine the region that satisfied the inequality. So now you have two inequality. The point that you need to know is, first point, you have two inequality. 你有两个 inequality. So how to determine which region satisfied these two inequality? So 你要怎样知道哪一个 region? So at first, you need to know you have how many region. 你要知道你有几个 region. You have 1, 2 inequality. Already draw the straight line. So this after divide like this, you can have 4 region. Region A, region B, region C, region D. So out of these 4 region, which one is satisfied both inequality? Macam mana? So what you need to do is, you make the table like just now. You have two inequality. This is equality number 1. This is equality number 2. After that, for region here, A, B, C, D, 4 region. So region A, you can simply choose any point inside this region. Example, if I want this 2, 2 also can. If I choose 2, 2, then here will be 2, 2. If you choose 4, 1 also can, as long as inside the region. As long as the point is inside the region, Okay, if you want to choose 0, 0 also can, because 0, 0 is inside region A. So you need to double check, true or false. Let's say they choose 4, 2, this point. So this is y x coordinate, y coordinate. So region, this one is inequality number 1, inequality number 2. So you just substitute. Y is 2, x is 4. So y become 2. This one copy down. 3 over 4. This x become 4 plus 2. So simplify. 3 plus 2. You have 5. 5 greater equal 2. So this one is true, correct. And then for second inequality, substitute x is 4, y is 2. 4 plus 2, getting 6. 6 is greater equal 7. So this one is false. So meaning that region A is not the answer. And then for region B, similarly, choose one of the point in region B. Example, you can take 1, 4, 1, 5, and then you can take other point like 0, 5, 0, 3, 0, 4, also can, up to you. In this case, they use 1, 5 as example. So x, y. So 5 and then 3 over 4 times 1 and then plus 2. So this part, you key in calculator. What is the value that you have? Can you key in now? What's the answer? 3 over 4 plus 2. What's the answer? Can you give me the answer? What's the answer? 3 over 4 plus 2. What's the answer? Anyone can tell me what's the answer? Key in calculator now. 3 over 4 plus 2. From your calculator, can you get 11 over 4? But 11 over 4 is very, very difficult for us to compare bigger than 5 or not, right? So you can press this button in your calculator, this button. Press this button. Then it will show 2.75. Like this will be easier for you. So actually, here is 2.75. So 5 is less or equal to 2.75. So this one is false. Wrong. And then you substitute again. X is 1, y is 5. So 1 plus 5 greater equal 7. So this one also 6 greater equal 7, also false. Meaning that B also is not the answer that satisfies both inequality. For C region, also the same. Simply choose any point in the C region. Example, if we choose 4, 7, you see where is 4, 7? 4, 7 is this point. So x is 4, y is 7. So just substitute 7, 3 over 4, 4 plus 2. So this one key in calculator. This one become 1, 3 plus 2 is 5. 7 less equal 5. So this one is false. And then 4 plus 7. So 11 greater equal 7. This one is true. False true, also not the answer. Because only satisfy one of the inequality, meaning that wrong. And then region D. So this one, simply choose any point. Let's say this question they choose at 6. Okay, they choose this point. You can choose other point also. You will get the same answer. So at 6, this is x, this is y. So y is 6. Substitute 6 less equal 3 over 4. Then the x is 8 plus 2. So this one simplify using calculator. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 is greater equal 6. So this is true. And then this one, x plus y. 8 plus 6. So 8 plus 6, total is 14. Greater equal 7. So this one is true. True, true. When both getting true, true, meaning that this region satisfied both inequality. You understand what I teach you today?
Yes.
Okay, good. Because previously we only learned how to double check whether the point satisfied inequality or satisfied equation. How to get at which at? How to get at this one, huh? Substitute inside here. X plus y. Because the x here is at, y is 6. So at plus 6. Greater equals 7. Just copy down. So x plus 6 getting 14. 14 greater than 7. So this is true. Both must be true. Then meaning that this region is the answer. Okay, understand what I mean? What you learn now actually is previous one. Which previous? Which part? Is that this one? Where did you learn?
Region D.
Region B, huh?
D.
D.
Yeah.
This one? This one?
No. The other one.
The other one. This one?
Yes.
Or how to get at, huh? This part, you key in calculator. 3 over 4 times at plus 2. 3 over 4 times at plus 2. Can you get at? You press calculator. Key in calculator. Boleh tak?
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Yeah, this part, ne? You key in calculator, you can get at. So, meaning that from here, you're getting 6 less equals at. So, correct, right? Then true. So, this part, basically, the key point that very important is they give you these two regions. Not these two regions. They give you these two inequality. Then they ask you, which region satisfy these two inequality? Maksudnya, dia bagi dua inequality ni, then dia tanya kamu, bahagian mana ialah jawapan dia? Point-point itu mesti satisfy dua inequality ini. So, 如果是华语来讲啊，他给你两个 inequality，然后你现在学的是，它有4个 region，到底哪一个 region 是他们的答案？他们的答案意思讲 x and y 它里面的 point 啊，你 sub 进去，你这两个东西会对。Okay, I think you understand what I mean already, huh? So, surf practices 6.2b, question number 1. You do later on, huh? I will continue next part. This part is first part you learn. Okay, first part using table, using substitution to determine which region is the answer for both inequality. Point 可以随便选，对。Point 可以随便选。Let's say 你看 region B，region B，如果你要 check for region B，你可以随便选一个 point inside 这个 region B。Okay， ingat like point region A, if you want to check for A you simply choose any point in region A. 不是其他 region 如果你要 check for A, 就 simply choose any point in A. If check for C, choose any point in C. Okay, and then both must be true. Then that one is the answer for this inequality. Clear? So 6.2b, question 1, you do later on. So sama buat table macam ini nanti. Okay, and then I continue next part. Next part is the same concept. They give you these two inequality, and then you need to shade the region. Macam tadi, okay, this step is longer because you need to use table to decide. Yang ini panjang sikit sebab kamu perlu pakai table testing one by one macam ini panjang kan. So, second one, yang ini pendek sikit dia punya method. Tapi, pergi arah yang sama. Kamu punya tujuan ialah want to find the region that satisfy the graph, that two linear inequality. Okay? Just like kamu mau untung duit. You want to earn money. 你要赚钱. A lot of method, right? You can go to walking or you can go to sell things. Ada dua method. Yang this one also the same. When you have 2 or 3 inequality, how you are going to find the answer, the region that satisfy both. So, ada dua cara. Okay, first method, using this table. Just do substitution. Second method is the one I want to share with you now. So, this one will be shorter. Tapi kamu kena faham Okay, how to do it? I will share with you now. So look at page 169. I straight away enter example 10. And then in this book, actually, they use alphabet A, B, A, B. Okay. If you want to use A, B, A, B, can. So maybe I use the same method. Easier for you. So shade the region that satisfies each of the following. So how you shade the region? So I use two different color. So let's say this one. At first, you need to know which one is which line. This one represented by this line, right? So you focus on this line. Positive y smaller than. So I can let this as A. Okay, smaller than. Positive y smaller than, meaning that I take below. So I have A here, I have A here, I have A here, I have A here. All this region is smaller than, correct or not? Including these two actually. Can understand first one? Okay, second one, I have two lines, so I will have two different color. You can use pencil later on. Okay, this one. X less than 2. So this is x equals to 2. Less than 2, I will take this part, right? This part. So B, 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 less than 2. This one B, 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 B. So where is your answer? Your answer is at the part where A and B meet together. Ada nampak A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B? So semua ini ialah jawapan kamu. Shade the region. This region satisfied. Can understand? And then second one, buat benda yang sama. First one is A. So A, this one, where is the line? You identify first. The line is this one, right? The line is this one. This one, okay, A. So positive y greater than. So above, so I will write A above here. So I write A here. A. Okay. And then second one. I look at the second inequality. Y less 3. So this is y equals to 3. So this is the line that I need to refer. Positive y less than. So now I write B. Positive y less than, below. Below, below, below. This one also B actually. B also. So below. So third one, I use C. So now I use C. C. This one I use C. Y equal 0. So y equal 0 is this one, right? Y equals to 0. So y positive. So this is C, 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 C. So what is my answer? My answer is the region that I have ABC. Dekat mana? Here have AC, AC only, so not the answer. This part, I have ABC. This part, I have ABC. So no more. So only these two. Can understand so far how we identify the region? Can understand? So far okay? Can understand 吗？你们明白吗？ Need me to give you more example? Can you give me some response?
不是很明白的。
不是很明白哈。OK， 好，不要紧。OK，I discuss example 11。OK，我用华语讲一次哈。OK，现在他是叫你 draw and shade the region. Or like this I speak English first, then I speak Mandarin. OK，他overall they will ask you like this: draw and shade the region. So previously they already give you the line. This time don't have line. So you need to draw out the line by yourself. So how to draw the line? So 我们要怎样画 graph 出来? So recall back. How many inequality you have? 1, 2, 3. So 你有3个 ada 3. So need to draw first. How to draw? you let this side become equal, right? So first, you have 2y equals x. Second, you have x plus y equals to 4. So the next one will be x equals 0. So draw the line first. So how to draw the line? Simply choose any 2 points of x or y that you like. So 怎样画那个线出来？你随便选 x value 或者 y value，你 set 死其中一个。Example 啊 I set y equals x equals 0， 我 set 死 x equals 0。When x equals 0, I have 2y equals 0. So meaning that my y is 0 divided 2, y is 0. And then I choose another point. Example, I choose x equals to 4. If x equals to 4, what happened to my y? So 2y equals to 4. 就是把你的 x value 放进去哈。So how to find y? 4 divided by 2. So my y is 2. So now I will start to draw the graph. So plot the point. Plot the point first. First point you have is 0, 0. So 0, 0. Second point, 4, 2. 4 and then 2. Then you draw solid line. So why solid line? Because of have equal sign here. 因为有一个等于在这里，所以你要画 solid line. So first graph already draw. 这个画好了。Okay, now need to draw for second line. Second line, x plus y equals to 4. So see, same thing, 一样的，选两个号码。你喜欢 let's say 你放 x 等于0。If x 0, meaning that 0 plus y equals to 4, so y is 4. Or maybe you can set y 0 also, up to you. If y 0, x plus 0 equals 4, meaning that my x is 4. This one up to you 啊 you either set x or set y. 你要画 graph 的时候，你自己决定你要 set 死那个 x 还是 set 死那个 y， 看你们要怎样啦，哪个都可以，选一个你喜欢的，只要你画得到。Okay, so I already have the point, so I will start to plot now. 0, 4. So 0, 4. And then 4, 0. 4, 0. See, I have 2 points. Connect using ruler. So this time using dotted line. Okay, why use dotted line? Because of this one. Don't have equal sign. Okay, so the last one, x equals to 0. Recall back that day I teach you have 3 different people, right? So graph also have 3 different type. So if you have the one lazy like this, the name is y equals something. If you have the one very hardworking like this, so the name is x equals something. If you have one more, the one naughty like this, one period, so the name is y equals mx plus c. So for these cases, x equals 0 is the one very hardworking, right? Always stand up. So meaning that this straight line is x equals to 0. So now you have 3 different line already. 3 different line. So see, 3 different line. First one is the red color, blue color. Sorry, blue color. 2y equals x. Second one is this red color. X plus 4. X plus y equals 4. So the last one is x equals to 0. Already have the straight line. So now you need to know how to determine the shaded region that satisfy these 3 straight line. 你要怎样知道哪一个 region satisfy 这个答案 So, kalau you pakai cara yang sebelum tu, kamu ada area A, B, C, D. Kamu perlu pilih titik, right? You need to choose the point. 你有很多东西要做 You need to substitute inside table. So, very long, right? So, for this one, I suggest use method number 2. 用第二个 method. 第二个 method 比较容易。 Okay, macam mana? So we'll look at one by one. So look at the first inequality that you have. First inequality is this one. So 2y greater equal x. So yang ini, your graph straight line is this one, right? This one, then you focus on this line, and then positive y. You need to determine above or below. 你现在要知道上面还是下面。So let's say this one is A, region A. So positive y greater. So need to tag above. So tag above. So this is region A, region A, region A, region A. So all this is above. Correct? So second region. I set it as region B, this region. So which region is this? So you need to know what is the line first. Line at this one. This one is the line. So now positive y less than, meaning that below. So 要拿下面的。So below region B, here is below, here is below, here is below, below, all is below. Okay? And then region C. So how I determine region C? Region C is this one. X equals 0 is this straight line. So using solid line, because I have equal sign, so greater than, so tag here, region C, region C, region C, region C, region C. So at where is the answer? You double check which part you have all the ABC. Tengok sini, AB saja bukan. So here AB only no, B only no, this one no, this one no. So only this part, ABC meet together. So this part is your answer. Okay, so 我现在讲一次华语了哈。Can understand now? Better now? So 我讲华语的一次。Okay， 华语的是这样。我们要怎样选那个 region？ 三个它都要 satisfied 的，三个都要同意。OK， 就像你讲哈，就像你选女朋友这样。OK， 家长爸爸妈妈一定要同意 ，OK 才可以在一起。OK，just like this So these three inequality must be together. So macam mana 要怎样在一起 ？So 我们一个一个检查。2y equals x. So 2y equals x 是这一条线。So 这一条线我们要检查它们要上面还是要下面。So 你要知道上面下面，你要看 positive y. So positive y 大过就拿上面。So 上面我们当做这个是 region A 哈。So 这条线的上面，这边是 A， 这边是 A， 这边是 A， 这边也是 A。好 A 看好了，我们看第二条线。第二条线我们可以用 B 来代替。所以你找 B 之前，你要知道你的线在哪里。x plus y less 4。So x plus y less 4就是这条线。这条线，给上面还是下面 ？Positive y 小过，所以你拿下面。这条线的下面，所以我就写 B B， 它的下面我都写 B 哈。这边是 B B B B。OK，B 写好了。现在我们看这一个第三条线。So 第三条线这一个 x greater equal。So 这条线。So 这条线你要怎样看 ？x greater equal 0， 就是看这一 side 哈。So 这边是 C， 我当作它是 region C 哈。C 这边全部是 C。OK 好，全部画完了，哪一个才是最终的答案？你看，你刚才写 ABC 对吗？说 ABC 聚集在哪里？像这边只有 AB 而已，所以不是答案。这些只有 BC 不是答案，它一定要 ABC 都在一起，所以这个就是答案。OK，Can you understand better？ 可以比较明白吗？可以吗？
可以。可
以哈。OK 好，所以你今天学的就是这一些咯。So hari ini kamu belajar semua ini. So 6.2C kamu buat soalan 1C. Nanti saya akan tulis dekat WhatsApp dengan Google Classroom kamu buat masa ini, and then I will stay online. Any question you don't understand, you can ask at WhatsApp there. And then for your assessment one, saya akan record video and I will post in Google Classroom and WhatsApp later on. You can go to watch and use the guideline that I teach you. Try to do the assessment. Okay. So 6.2c, you can do question 1c, and then question 2b, 2c, 2d, question 3a and d. So today I will stop at here. So nombor ini saya akan post dekat WhatsApp selepas ini. So any question? If no question, you will start to do your exercise now. I stay online until 11:30. You can ask me at WhatsApp group. Okay. If you have no question, we will end Google Meet for today. Any question, please ask. Any question?
No.
No, Okay.
No.
So see you again. Any question, ask at WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you, class.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you for the lesson. Bye.